Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chicken darbari. It's simple to make, requires very little chopping and most of the work is done by the blender. So let's get started. First let's check out the ingredients for the spice powder. Here I've taken 3 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick and 3 cardamoms. Some dried red chillies, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Quickly dry roast these spices until aromatic. Now add them to a grinder and grind everything into a fine powder. Next, let's check out the other ingredients. For the nut paste, I have taken 6 almonds, 6 cashew nuts and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds that I have soaked earlier. Here I am using 1 chicken breast that I have cut into medium-sized pieces. To that add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of the spice powder that we made earlier, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and set it aside. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I am roughly chopping. Now I am taking fried onions in the same quantity as the tomatoes. Blend them together into a smooth paste. To a kadai, add some olive oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add the marinated chicken. Cover it and let it cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes until the chicken releases the water. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add the nut paste to the chicken. Give it a mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes. To this, now add the onion and tomato paste. Mix everything well, close the lid and let it cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. You may add salt at this point, but I am not adding since I have already added during marination. Later, open the lid and add some Kasuri methi, slit green chillies and chopped cilantro. Give it one final mix before serving and it's ready. You can enjoy this with roti, paratha or even rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.